Thank you for buying Threat Extinguisher. Today we're going to show you how to install the Smart Base unit. When you order Threat Extinguisher, you will receive two boxes. One box will have the can of pepper spray in it, and one box will have the Threat Extinguisher unit. Open the box, and when you open the box, on the top of the lid you will see that the keys are on the top of the lid. Remove the Threat Extinguisher from the box. At this point, all our Threat Extinguisher bases must be secured to the name location. So we do that two different ways. One, if you're using a tabletop unit, it is suction cupped to the top of the desk, and then there's a tether cable which must be connected to the bottom of the desk so its name location, the unit will always be there. The other option is, if it's a wall mount or a under the desk unit, it has two keyholes for mounting screws. Those will hold it in its named location. Once you have determined that, you need to open up the unit, remove the two screws from the bottom, remove the cover. Now you can access the bottom side of the cover. You will find two tagged wires. These two tagged wires are used for the wireless transmitter or the hardwired system. If you're using a wireless transmitter, it can mount here on the inside. If you're using a hardwired system, you will need to drill a hole in the back of the Threat Extinguisher base to bring in the hardwired connection. Once you have done that, you need to make sure the 9-volt battery is in place. Then you can reinstall the cover. When you reinstall the cover, make sure the key switch is forward and the plunger switch is forward. Install it back into the base. And before installing the screws, you want to verify that the Threat Extinguisher external alarm is working. So, turn the key to the on position. The alarm sounds, you're in good shape. Install the screws in the bottom of the unit. Turn the unit over, and now you're ready to install your can of pepper spray. Take the can of pepper spray, lean it forward so that it's below the push button switch, and rock it back. Now the can is installed. Now at this point, you need to determine if you're going to have the external alarm on the Threat Extinguisher base on or off. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 844-658-5868. Thank you.